Here's the fastest legal way to make 5 to 10K a month even as a complete beginner. Don't worry about it being oversaturated because there's really millions of products that you can choose from. By the way, 90% of people already scrolled by, so there's really no competition. But let me show you how it's done. Step number 1, go to Digistore 24. Then go ahead and go to Marketplace. Choose your niche or any product that you want to promote. I'm gonna go to Business and Investment. Now choose any one of these products that you want, but I'm going to choose crypto since it's really popular, and this product in particular will pay me $400 for one sale. Click promote now. Now this is your affiliate link and this is how you get paid. Next, go to pixels.com and then look for an image related to the product that you chose to promote. Choose any one of these images and just download it. I'm going to choose this one, and then once you choose your image, click free download. Go to pinterest.com and then create a pin. Then add the image that you chose. Now instead of pasting your affiliate link from Digistore right here, let me show you a better way. Just gonna make a simple funnel with one page that looks just like this, where we ask for name and email so we can send them email follow-ups if they don't buy this product. Now once you do this simple page, this is the link that you want to promote on social. Every single time when someone makes a purchase from my pin on Pinterest, I make $400. This is called high ticket affiliate marketing. If you would like to learn more about high ticket affiliate marketing, follow and see the link in my profile for my free training.